Hello guys, ituturo ko ngayon sa inyo kung paano mag-post ng ah, mga links at photos sa mga groups. Okay, so punta kayo dito sa files natin sa group, and then you choose dito sa ads na pwede ninyong i-post sa Facebook. So open that one. Tapos pili ka dito ng mga things na gusto mong i-post, mga text. Okay, so like this one, ang pipiliin ko, example ito. So, to copy, highlight mo lang ito, tapos right click, then copy. So, para i-edit ito, or you can edit this one, or you can go directly to your groups. Okay, so here you can find the groups you have. Okay, so like this one, this is all the groups I have. So you have to click yung like this one, 9 plus na yung mga nagpo-post. So madami na nag-post dito after yung the last time you posted. So i-click mo siya, tapos you have to upload photos while you post on groups, because pag may photo, mas mapapansin siya ng mga visitors or other members in that group. Okay, so to upload photos like this one, so you can see, you have to go to your images. So you have to choose sa yung mga images files mo. So like mine, I have here a lot of here I have this one. So pipili ka lang sa mga images na na-download mo sa computer mo, tapos that one click. Okay, so yung kaninang na-copy mo na message, i-post, right click at paste this one here. So and then you have to edit some infos. So here I want to edit this one. I change to my link. Dito ko papuntahin yung mga mag-i-inquire. So this one, you put like add me, add and message me. So after that one, you only have to click post. Okay. Okay, done. Ganito lang pag-post sa mga groups. Okay. So next naman, ito naman yung susunod. Ganun lang din yung gagawin mo. But wait na. So yung na-post mo kanina, you have to copy that one who is already edited. Copy that one, this na-edit na siya, so that hindi ka na mag-i-edit muli sa pag-post mo sa ibang groups. Okay, like this. Upload ko ulit. Fine. Then post. Okay, ganyan lang. Yes, enjoy na yung mga post mo. Okay, I hope you learn this. It's a very simple things to do on group posting.